file this under hard to believe, unbelievable uh, laws or news. So apparently in 2009, an 18-year-old woman was was raped while unconscious or sleeping after a night out with her boyfriend and some of his friends. She had passed out on her bed with her boyfriend, and apparently he took off at some point, and then this other man by the name of Julio Morales came in, and while she was unconscious, or asleep essentially, but unconscious, he started to have sex with her. I presume uh, thinking that he could just quickly have sex with her and she wouldn't wake up and then he'd leave. Um, but she woke up and realized that it wasn't her boyfriend and started screaming, and he did take off. And then she called the police, but he was convicted of rape, but he appealed it, and he just got off because of an 1872 sort of, it's an unmarried woman law from 1872. This is California now. This is the 1872 criminal code that, quote, defined rape as an act of sexual intercourse with the female, not the wife of the perpetrator. So essentially, if you are, this is going way back to the days where if you're not married, I mean, you must be some sort of skank or some sort of uh, person who sleeps around who obviously deserves to get raped. So if you're not married and you're asleep and or unconscious and a man comes and rapes you, well, then it's not rape, or comes to have sex with you and you don't want it, which is rape. It's not considered rape in California because you're not married. If you're married and you're unconscious or asleep and the man comes and has sex with you against your will, that's rape. What the fuck? This is nuts. And this is in California, right? Of all the states. So the Second District Court of Appeal was reluctant in their unanimous ruling, but obviously had to follow the law. And it goes on in this article to say, the justices noted that prosecutors advanced two legal theories: that the defendant raped by tricking the victim, which applies only to married women, and that he committed rape by having sex with a sleeping person. Because it was unclear under which theory the jury convicted Morales, the court overturned the conviction. Oh boy. So if there's a law that needs to be changed, it's this one. Like right now, because this guy is free. And now this woman who's 21 or something is, I don't know, is having to worry, right? But anyway, it's crazy. It's nuts. So this needs to be changed right away, right now, because we're not in 1872. We're not even in 1950. Okay, guys, come on.